Welcome to Pouches and More, and today we'll prepare this open wide coin pouch. It's got a zipper and this is how it looks. We've kept small lipsticks, coins. It's not got too much space inside, it's just got enough space to keep small lipsticks or coins. It's completely lined from inside. This is how it will be looking all around. When we open the zip, it opens wide. So this is how it looks. So let's check out the materials required to make this coin pouch. We require 2 pieces of main fabric and 2 pieces of lining fabric. The main fabric has been fused with interfacing and they all measure 8 and 3/4 inches by 3.5 inches, one 8-inch long zipper. So first we'll make a box. We'll fold one of the main fabrics like this. So we need to make a box on this center fold. Now from the bottom we are going to make a marking of 1.25 inches and on fold 1.5 inches. Now on this mark, that is 1.25 inches and 1.5, we are going to make a box. So on the folded part we will be having the box. Now we'll cut this. So I've cut it on one piece of the main fabric. We'll also be doing that for the other piece and the lining fabric. So we'll be folding them. We'll do this for the lining also similarly. Fold it, and on the fold we'll be cutting the box. So we have cut this on all the 4 fabrics. Now we are going to place one pair aside. Now main fabric right side facing up, the zip slider side facing down. We are going to attach the zip like this. We are going to clip this. Now we'll take the lining fabric, right side facing down, align it from the sides and the top and clip it. Now we need to make a stitch over here. So stitch is done. We're just going to hand press this. We need to make a top stitch over here, so we're just going to hand press. Now on both the sides we're going to leave 1/2 inch. On both the sides we're going to leave 1/2 inch and make a top stitch. So top stitch is done. We have started from this 1/2 inch mark on both the sides. Now for the next main fabric also we are going to keep it right side facing down, align it from the sides and place it on the other side of the zipper tape, that is the other side, and we are going to clip this. Now this is the main fabric. We are going to flip it over. On the lining fabric side we are going to place the lining fabric right side facing down, align from the side and the top and clip the whole thing. Now here the lining fabrics are together, here the main fabrics right side are together. We are going to make a stitch over here. Once the stitch is done, we are going to make a top stitch as we did for the other side, leaving 1/2 inches on both the sides. We are going to make a top stitch. Now once the main fabrics are ready, we are going to put them together, right sides together, main fabrics, align it from the side and clip it. We'll be doing this for the lining fabric also. Align it and clip it. Now in the center we are going to push the entire zip. The zip will be pushed towards the lining fabric. This is how it will be looking from the side, and we are going to clip this also. We are going to do the same thing for the other side also. So we have clipped both the sides. We are going to make a straight stitch over here. The extra fabric on both the sides we are going to cut it off. Now we'll open the zip from the main fabric side completely. We are going to open the zip completely over here. and we are going to fold it like this. Now we'll have to stitch the base. So for that we are just going to align the boxes and we are going to clip it in the sides. Now the center seam also we are going to push the seams to either side so that it doesn't bulk up in one side only. We need to make a stitch over here. I will do that for the lining fabric side also. So here on the lining fabric side we are going to leave a gap, that is for turning the whole pouch inside out. That is the reason we opened the zipper also completely. So this is the gap that we will not be stitching. Rest we are going to stitch the base, both the main fabric and lining fabric. And we'll flatten the seams like this, and then we will have to stitch the box. So we're going to just flatten the box like this. The center will align with the stitch mark. We'll do that for the other side also. Just flatten the box like this. The center, align it along with the stitch mark. Now the same side we are going to pull the lining fabric box also like this. Again flatten it as we did for the main fabric. Now this we are going to put it along with the main fabric. So we are just going to put both of them together like this and clip it. We are going to align the raw edges of the lining fabric and the main fabric. So this is how it will be looking. We need to make a stitch on this. So the other side also will do the same thing. Here it is the main fabric. The same side lining fabric, we are going to flatten it. The center align with the stitch mark. And we are going to put this together with the main fabric. So we are going to align the center of the main fabric and the lining fabric together. And we are going to clip the entire thing. So the raw edges will be together of the main fabric as well as the lining fabric. We need to make a stitch on this. So here we are going to make a straight stitch on both the raw edges. So this is done. Now we need to turn it from this opening. We are going to turn the whole pouch right side out. Let's turn to the right side. Now the last step is to stitch this opening. We are going to hand stitch this opening over here. So that is done. We have turned the pouch to the right side. This is how it will be looking. When you open the zip, it opens wide. So the name Open Wide Coin Pouch. It's small enough to hold coins and small lipsticks. It cannot hold very big things. It's simple to make. So please do try this. Thanks for watching. Bye.